Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. First, we will create a slot of 108 by 30. Then we will use the offset command to create this one. Then we will use to circle command to create this circle. So here I am closing this window and go to the Fusion 360 interface to create such kind of component. So first go to create sketch, then select the plane. Now as per drawing, first we will create a two center slot. So here I will provide 108, and as we can see in this particular image it is radius of 15 so here we will provide 30 and press enter. After then we will use this offset command, select this one and provide an offset of, from here we can see it is a radius of 34 and this one is a radius of 15. So we have to provide around 19 of offset here and press OK for check. We can see here it is a radius of 34. Now the next what we have to do, we will select this line, construct line, and from here we can see the distance between the center of this slot and the center of the circle is 76. So we will draw a line of 76 from the center in this way and press enter. After this, what we have to do, we have to create a circle of 18 diameter. Then we will draw one more circle of 25 diameter radius. Sorry. So it is 18 in this way. Press enter. Then we will draw one more. Then this is around 50 Press enter. After this, what we have to do, we will draw a line in this way. We will draw one more line in this way. Now we have to draw this curve. This is of radius 15. For that, we will draw a circle of 30 Press enter. We will select this tangent and select this one and this one and this one and this one. Now we will use this trim command to trim this one. After trimming this, we will trim this. So as you can see, we have created such kind of profile. After this, what we have to do, we will finish this sketch. Go to home position. We will provide the thickness to this particular profile. So select this extrude command, select this profile, and as per the drawing, we can see here it is 52 Just provide a distance of 52 in this way and press enter. After this, again we visualize this sketch one. Then what we have to do next, as per the drawing, we have to provide the thickness to this one up to 34 So again we choose this extrude command, select this one and provide it 34 and press. After this, what the next target for us, we have to create this particular rib section. For that we will use rib command. So we construct an offset plane at a distance of 10 mm and press OK. After this, we will choose this particular one and select the plane. Then we will draw a line in this way, any line. Press escape. Then we will select this tangent command and select this line, this circle and this line and this one. After this, we will trim all the unwanted edges in this way. Sorry. In this way, we will trim all the unwanted edges. After this, what we have to do, just finish the sketch, select the rip command from here and select this curve and provide a thickness symmetrically, and here we can provide 20 mm. So as you can see, we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.